She says my mother is right outside. I shall go and she'll give me a ride to my yearly dentist appointment. I forgot it's today. Teacher, please, please, please help me out. Won't you let me stay?
Our mother made meatloaf, but I think she made it wrong.
It could have been that she cooked it just a little bit too long.
She pulled it from the oven, and we all began to choke.
The meatloaf was on fire. The kitchen filled with smoke.
The smoke detector squealed at all the flaming meatloaf haze.
Our father used his drink to try to extinguish the blaze.
Mom shrieked and dropped the meatloaf. It exploded with a boom.
It splattered black and gloss on every surface in the room.
The dog passed out. The kitten hid. Our brother screamed and fled.
The baby ate a piece of meatloaf sticking to her head.
Our father started yelling, and our sister went berserk. What happened?
But we kept our cool and said, at least our smoke detectors work. She is okay.
We bought our cat a jetpack, which we think she liked a lot. She strapped it on, and instantly she took off like a shot. We zoomed around my bedroom, and she blasted down the hall. She ricocheted off every piece of furniture and wall. Our dog freaked out and ran away. Our hamster squeaked and fled. We even saw our sister hiding underneath her bed. Our cat is so fired up, we almost hate to break the news. She'll never catch our mouse. We bought them rocket-powered shoes.
Collar is green. My dog's name is Blue. I'm so lucky to have a sweet thing like you. Your hair is like a corn silk flap in the breeze, soft and blues, without all the fleas. Me and you like a moon pie with an RC cold drink. Go together like a skunk over stink. Some men buy chocolate for Valentine's Day. They get it at Walmart. This don't answer that way. Some men get roses on that special day from the cooler at Kroger. That's impressive, I say. Some men buy fine diamonds from a flea market booth. Diamonds are forever, they explain suave and cool. This man, honey, please won't do. You're too special, you sweet thing, you. Got you a gift without taste or odor, or he's full of diamonds. It's a new trolling motor.
Take my homework, you thought it was chicken. Aliens I find an